Hello and welcome to another edition of Resources for Life TV at resourcesforlife.com. My name is Greg Johnson, and this is just a short video from downtown Iowa City. And today is February 2nd. It's Wednesday. We've had a pretty big snowstorm, at least for Iowa City standards. And I'm just going to give you a walk around the downtown area here with the camera. And you can see that the sidewalks are not yet clear. And I'm guessing that the priority right now is to get the streets cleared off first. Here's Dubuque Street, and I'm looking north right now on Dubuque. I'm going to turn west and then toward the pedestrian mall. So because we have only streets cleared at this moment, we've got people walking to work in the streets, and there really aren't that many cars right now. I think motorists have been advised to stay home, stay off the roads. But as you can see here on Dubuque Street, kind of downtown central, the clearing has already taken place. You can see the lines on the road. It's that clear. We've got pretty good crews here in Iowa City to keep the streets clean. There's a pretty sizable mound here in the middle of the street. I know it's hard to get a sense of perception with snow, but as I walk around here, I think you'll get an idea. These piles are about 4 feet high in the downtown area. One thing nice about recording video with the iPhone, and in this case the iPhone 4, which gives me 720p high definition, is that I'm not too concerned about using it in inclement weather, you know. Now here's, give you an idea, we have some snow piling up, and I'm guessing there's probably, for the next couple of hours, going to be very few cars out, mostly brave souls venturing out on foot. And this gives the crews time not just to clear the roads, but in weather like this, we need to, there's so much snow that it needs to be carted away. And so the roads do need to be kept clear for that. Here's a pile that, I don't know if you can get an idea of the size of that, but it's probably about 7 or 8 feet tall. The snow just piled up in the street. Now here on Iowa Avenue, we have, here this car will give us perspective. There. Here on Iowa Avenue, we have parking on the north side of the street and also some here on the south side. And so that gives the trucks a place to initially put this snow. Here, I'll show you. So quite a bit of snow there. And here approaching the intersection of Iowa Avenue and Clinton Street. But as I say, this is really not all that dramatic because at this point it's just a little after 8 in the morning, and you know, many of the trucks have already come through. You can even see the brick texture here on Iowa Avenue. So it's pretty well cleared off. What really creates a challenge when there's snow like this is, you know, you get the wind blowing, and so that creates drifts, and that's where the problem lies, you know. That's it. It's interesting. I'm looking at the viewer window here on the camera, and it doesn't really look that impressive in terms of snowfall. But anyway, you can see if I put the camera at just the right angle, then these little piles of snow look as big as the buildings in the background. That's pretty dramatic. So anyway, that's about it. Otherwise, if you're close to downtown and you're able to make it to the downtown area, you can see that the sidewalks are pretty well accessible. Now, those are university sidewalks, and those are generally cleared off pretty promptly. The city has crews that handle the city streets, and then the downtown merchants are pretty much on their own. Normally, I think they hire snow removal crews to take care of that. So the merchants have a period of time allocated to them to take care of that snow, and some are more prompt than others. And here's somebody parking and making it into Iowa City for a day of work. The university, as I'm told, has canceled classes, all classes for today. But judging from how promptly they've cleared off these sidewalks, I'm guessing that those who are able to safely make it to work are expected to come to work. And, you know, I live 3 blocks from downtown here, so basically live in the downtown area, and so it doesn't give me much excuse on a day like today to I rarely get a snow day. But anyway, here you can see again sidewalk, and this is just some of the excess snow that's been piled up. I'm going to swivel the camera around here and sign off. So anyway, that's it for now from snowy Iowa City. I hope everybody's doing well. I know I haven't been posting as many videos as I had been in the past, and that's just because, you know, as we've had this inclement weather, it's been cold and snowy and windy, and those are all conditions that make it less than ideal for making video. And I guess another factor that's kind of slowed me down in my video making has been that I just recently got a Canon T2i still camera, and it does really nice HD video. And I've been noticing on YouTube that a lot of the videos that are getting posted are of really high quality, and they're either 720p or full HD video. And so I'm wanting to make that jump, but I don't want to use my nice camera out in this weather that we're having here in Iowa. So maybe when spring gets here and the weather cooperates, I'll start using that camera for some video content to post online. So until then, I'm going to work on some other things like the website and such. So let me just give you a few more visuals of the snow.